Hello, in this video I will show you how to add Celo to MetaMask wallet. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then just simply open MetaMask. After that, just simply log in and go to your network section right over here. Click on add network. Now I'll wait for a few seconds and just simply see if Celo is available right over here or not. If it is not available, click on add network manually. Now open a new tab and just simply search for Celo network info, or you can also search for Celo network RPC. They will both show you the same result. Now you can go to this link right over here, or you can go to the first link. They will both work. So let's go to the first one. Over here you will find few details like the network name, the description, the chain ID, currency symbol, and the rest of the details. Now if we'll go back to the MetaMask option, you will find the same names are available right over here. Now just simply enter the details required over here, like for example network name. So simply copy this, paste right over here, and do this for the entire thing. Now once you've filled up all the details, click on save. That will add Celo network to your MetaMask wallet. So you can just simply go ahead and check it. As you can see, this is now available. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.